Hi guys, this is a continuation from the under eye highlighting and foundation video. Click the link to get to that video. Thank you.
Can you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I stare at you. Can you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I stare at you. Can you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I stare at you. It's true, I crave you. It's true, I crave you. I walked into the room dripping in gold. Dripping, dripping. I walked into the room dripping in gold. Dripping, dripping. It's true, I crave you. Na 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 na. Crave you. Na 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 na. Can you want me? 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 Let's just stop and think before I lose faith. I walked into the room dripping in gold. I walked into the room dripping in gold. A wave of heads being tied, so uncontrolled. My heart broke when I saw you kept your gaze control. Why cannot so? Why can you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I crave you. Can you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I stare at you. Can you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I stare at you. Can you want me like the other boys do? They stare at me while I stare at you.
hair photos I was. Also kind of cute. Bye guys.
I walked into the room dripping in gold. Dripping, dripping. I walked into the room dripping in